It's a video for nightingales. Alright, see, this is what was on the windowsills. It's like a rust mark. Now, that's after I've treated it once, hang on, maybe twice. Yeah, that's after I've treated it twice with my chemical. Haven't done this bit, it's just this ledge here. Now this is after I've treated it with a lead restorative treatment, so that isn't as great as that, so I'd say it's rust. Yeah, that's all I can think of really. It looks like rust, it comes away as rust, and it looks like rust on my towel as well, if I can find it somewhere. It's ready.